Another feature of the scheme introduced here that makes it very easy to use is that there are only 5 distinct activities that government can undertake with respect to any target group: give, take, regulate, ritualize or moralize, organize or manage. Commit these 5 action verbs to memory, and you will no doubt have little difficulty with the scheme. The figure outlines the 5 policy classes and the associated actions of government. If we identify the primary target group of a policy and then determine that government is giving or providing tangible resources to that group, then we have a resource allocated policy. Social Security, food stamps, and farm subsidies would serve as examples. Government may also provide intangible resources, such as elementary, secondary, and higher education to target groups. There are many segments of the population that might be a primary target group of resource allocated policies, although it is common for many people to fail to acknowledge the benefits that they receive from government. Usually, people believe that government benefits go to someone else other than them. If the activity of government involves taking resources from a target group, we classify the policy as resource extractive. Taxes are the most obvious examples of resource extraction. The question of who actually pays a tax is frequently debated. While the legal liability or statutory incidence of a tax may be imposed on one target group, the economic burden or economic incidence of the tax may actually be borne by another target group. Economists call this phenomenon tax shifting. While the economic incidence of virtually any tax may be shifted, when using this classification scheme, we focus on the target group upon which the statutory incidence is imposed. For example, while the property tax on residential rental property may be shifted to renters, the legal liability for remitting the tax to government remains with the property owner, the landlord. Therefore, we would identify landlords as the primary target group of the tax on residential rental property. Similarly, while the economic incidence of a general sales tax may be shifted to retail customers, the statutory incidence of the tax is imposed on retailers. Retailers are the primary target group of the sales tax. Whether the economic incidence of a tax can be shifted depends on specific conditions existing in particular markets. Government may extract intangible resources as well. Examples include a military draft and required jury duty. In both cases, the resources that government takes from the primary target groups are the same: time and service.